Good afternoon. As the boys are slowly doing all the steel work, I've decided to come here and just redo the footpaths with the wood chips that I've made yesterday. And the plan is to extend the garden from here to where about the chickens are. I see I have holes poked from all these little mice, field mice in there. I'd like to see what's going on underneath there. All this growth is actually from the chickens being on top, and the seeds are growing, but that's no problem. Once I pull everything up, that's gonna die. Also, I've got to do a little bit of weeding, and yeah, we are slowly getting ready for spring. That's the job for me while the boys are finishing off the steel. There's not much left there. In this trailer, I can fit so much in. It's unbelievable. Did I say how much I love it? Don't know. No more straw or hay in the footpaths. Wherever I have straws, moles and these mice are digging the whole footpath up. I think they're sleeping in it. I go walk on top of it. By tomorrow it's all fluffed up again, lifted up. So I am not doing anything but wood chips in the footpath, meaning I'll have to make quite a bit for myself by myself to keep this going. I have had perfect amount of wood chips that I needed just to fix up the footpaths here. For the new beds, obviously I'll have to make some more, but we've cut so many fruit trees down today, or the other day, that I have plenty, plus all the new stuff that I need to do. That will be more than enough. Now what I'll do is I'll pull the weeds out. I've got some compost up the top, so I'll drive with this thing up the top, get some compost, and maybe try to do 1 or 2 beds, 3 beds, I don't know how much I have. Put that there, and then that will be enough for today. I'll probably do this tomorrow or the next day. There is no rush. Five-minute job. 1 bed is done. I'm gonna get a rake and just rake this nice and straight, nothing to it, and then I can continue, and this bed will be ready. I have pulled the weeds out, all the way out, and put them in the trailer. They're gonna go on the compost. Chickens will love them. What I've done is I've put some. Usually I pick it and chuck it in the walkway or on top, and it dries out. But at the moment there's so much moisture in the ground, and it's not hot. The grass just springs back root and starts growing again. See? So I'm removing it. I can tell you I've missed putting my hands in the dirt and get them dirty. This is good. So this is finished. Nice and easy job. This did not take 10 minutes altogether. Nothing scary. This is ready to be planted. I'll put compost on top of it. I think I've got enough to put on this one. Nice and easy. Don't need anything better than this. 2 beds are finished, but before I go any further I want to talk about the soil. It's very sour soil here, so what I do is I put wood ash on it. Wood ash fixes the pH. I had some that I burnt the shrub the other day, and then from the little oven or for the little heater that I have, I collected and I spread it over, and then the rain basically just pushes it in. Also, there is no calci in the soil. I used to use the oyster shell for the calci. You just put some in there and it lasts for a couple of years, and also you use it for chicken grit. Unfortunately here all that stuff is going in the bin. There is so many oyster shells at the coast. No one is washing them and crushing them and selling them. They're just a waste. I think you could get it for free and make some money selling it. There is a business idea for you if you want to do it. I would be the first one buying it and doing it on my garden, because I did it in Australia and it's amazing. I have decided to swap a little bit. What I have is I've bought organic pelleted fertilizer. I want to put it on the beds before I do the compost. The reason being is nitrogen just goes up in the air if you don't cover it with something. So what I'll do is I'll go get some compost, get some fertilizer, put it on there, finish these two, and these two are ready. I can plant something if I want to. I'm not sure if I'm still early for the onion, not sure, but at least I will have these two ready, 100% ready. I'll have these 100% ready. I'll rather have the two 100% ready than 4 or 5 half finished. I'm not sure what I'll have to do tomorrow. I mean, we are still working on the slab, so I'll better have a little bit finished or some finished before I go on, and then I can also show you what I'm doing. one trailer load, I don't have any more. But if I put 3 centimeters, about 2 inches on top, I think that should be enough for start. And that's my pelletized manure. Let me show you. I'm gonna roughly put some in. I mean, I don't think I can overdo it. And that's it. So this is it. If I had a little bit more, maybe half a trailer more would be better, but this is all I've got and I'm happy with it. I'm not one of those persons that needs everything right now. Main thing is we are moving forward, we're not going backwards, and that is it. We'll make more compost, garden will improve with each year. That's the main thing. I don't know if you can see in the back there, I've bought a pointy shovel. So I'm gonna finish in the garden for now, for today. I mean, 2 beds are enough. Maybe I can do 2 tomorrow and then 2 the other day, and that's it. What I'll do is, while I'm here, trailer is empty, I'm gonna go down there and fill it up with the rubbish and then give you an update on it as well. It's so much easier with a pointy shovel. Let me show you the thing down there. This is my pile. If you can see, around how huge it was past the trailer and all the way here. There's a little bit left now, and that's what I'm just gonna load up in the trailer, whatever fits in there. I think there's maybe 2 or 3 trailers left, and that's it. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as well, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.